Hello everybody, welcome to Wilson County Motors. It's Brian Griz. It's July 10th. Just got in another 2015 GMC 3500 dual rear wheel Denali crew cab 4x4. Summit white in color, loaded up with all the goodies. It's got these 6-inch chrome cab steps, lots of chrome trimming, door handles, trailer towing mirrors. Alloy wheels, got the upgraded Michelin LT235 80 17-inch LTX all-terrain tires. Gorgeous Denali front end on this with the painted bumpers, fog lamps, tow hooks, the all new HID headlamps. Under the hood is a 6.6 Duramax, and that's matted with the Allison transmission. Duramax Allison transmission logos on the hood. It's got the cab lights, 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, 3-year 36 limited warranty, and a 2-year 24,000 mile maintenance plan. That's oil changes for the diesel, it's DF fluid, and tire rotations for 4 tires on this particular truck. The Duramax Plus package got the driver alert with lane departure warning, fork collision alert, safety alert seats, got the power sunroof, radiator cover, it's got the camper and fifth wheel wiring, 373 axle, engine block heater, 13,025 pound GVWR. You can check out the window sticker and pictures at wilsoncounty.motors.com. You got your hitch insert. Class 4, Bose premium audio, beautiful Denali door stamping. It's got the black leather with white stitching, the beautiful Denali logos, heated and cooled seats, beautiful center console. It's nice and lots of storage in all the doors. Sliding rear window, rear privacy with rear defrost. Call me directly at 615-715-7950 while this truck lasts. And 373 locking rear axle. Side markers, tailgate, side bumper step, rear park assist, rear view camera. Hard to find 3500 all new 2015 Denali Duramax Plus package. Wilson County Motors, an authorized Chevrolet Buick GMC dealer. We welcome business from all 50 U.S. states. We do not export. We do consider all trades. We have financing available with approved credit. Email me with any questions at briang@wilsoncountyauto. Call me directly at 615-715-7950. Memory seating. Very comfortable 10-way power seats, auto headlamps, got the trailer brake control. Very easy to use and very user-friendly. Buttons and controls, your engine and exhaust brake, departure, your rear LED light, traction control, adjustable pedals, dual zone climate, your IntelliLink. For the rest of your life. Get your phone apps, navigation, Pandora, weather apps, OnStar, HomeLink. Very unique, exclusive Denali display. Heated steering wheel, all audio controls, and Denali stamping on the wheel. Lots of power points, USBs, plug-ins, file folders in the center console. Hey, it's Griz, Wilson County Motors. Thanks for taking your time to view this beautiful Denali 3500, available for me to delivery. If you live in Texas, Florida, California, we have complimentary Nashville B&A airport pickup available. Again, my number is 615-715-7950. Thanks for taking your time to view this truck. We're off Interstate I-40 at exit 236 in Lebanon, Tennessee. 903 South Hartman Drive. Over 500 new pre-owned vehicles to choose from. Thanks for viewing.